Hi, I'm Ming. Today I'm fine in Yuneec. Very windy. Suppose I had to use the head plate, but unfortunately I didn't bring the HDMI cable. But one of my friends is living on the other side of the harbor, so I will try to send H over there, bring one of the HDMI cable back. Wish me luck. GPS okay, battery okay, satellite 20 and 17, all condition okay. Landing gear down, angle mode, obstacle avoid off, hand tilt okay. Okay, pop. How come you send me a long cable? Huh? 6 minutes. Thank you, WK Lam. I can find happy now.